Want to control costs and produce outstanding food? Taylor scales are here to help you maintain portion control and make food waste a thing of the past. Between digital and mechanical scales, each are the same. You'll get excellent quality. Taylor scales help control costs by portion control, reducing waste, and creating unmatched food consistency. They'll help improve your recipe quality by providing accurate measurements for years. Digital Taylor scales have the ability to weigh items in multiple units of measurement and have a tare function that makes it easier for chefs and kitchen staff to measure accurately. Low battery and overload indicators help prevent unexpected downtime, and a removable stainless steel platform also makes easy cleanup, saving time and effort. Taylor mechanical scales are an excellent addition to any commercial kitchen. Their durable, corrosion-resistant weighing mechanism and stainless spring provide long-term accuracy. The removable platform design and shatterproof lens are essential to years of use. The angled dial with bold graphics also improves reading accuracy and ease, saving you time and reducing the risk of incorrect measurements. Taylor scales can help you achieve greater consistency during food prep, increase customer satisfaction, and boost your profits. So, say goodbye to wasted ingredients and bad scales. Investing in Taylor means investing in your restaurant success. With Taylor scales, you'll have the precision you need to control costs and create delicious food every day. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. If you want to shop thousands of more food service supply and equipment products, walk right into any one of our 15 Silver Star locations today or shop online at asmart.com.